Hey guys, it's Kevin from Subispeed. I want to wish you guys a happy new year. It is January 2018, and to start the year off right, we've got a new products video. If you guys haven't already done so, be sure to click the subscribe button down below so you can stay up to date on any new install videos, product reviews, and coverage of any of the events that we go to. Also, visit our website and click on that new products tab so you can see all the new products that we are constantly adding. Hopefully you guys enjoyed all the content we created in 2017, but for 2018, if you have any recommendations or video requests at all, leave them in the comment section down below. I go through those pretty regularly and take all that feedback into consideration when making these videos, so I want to keep that quality content coming for you guys. That being said, let's check out what we've got for this month. Now, I know I just showed you guys the Volk T37 Sagas last month, but the Hyper Red finish just came in this month. These are in the super aggressive 18x10 plus 41 fitment. That is our exclusive fitment. They weigh in at just over 19 pounds, and they have the cutouts in the back of the spokes to achieve that lightweight. So if you're looking for a top-of-the-line performance wheel, you can't go wrong with the T37 Sagas, especially in this stunning finish. Now, if the Hyper Red doesn't do it for you, we have a ton of other finishes available, so check them out on our website. We've got a couple different products from Project Kicks that we imported directly from Japan. We have their magnetic drain bolts, their valve cap sets that are made from forged aluminum alloy, available in 7 different colors. We've got black, blue, bronze, green, gunmetal, purple, and red. And we also have their caliber 24 lug nuts that feature a unique heptagon design that makes it extremely difficult to remove without the included 7-sided key. These are available in a blue titanium finish. Now, if you're a JDM enthusiast, you may have heard of these Hyper Rev magazines. These are JDM tuner magazines that make great gifts or collector's items. We have a bunch of different issues available that feature different cars, so if you're looking for inspiration for your own car, you're certainly going to find it in one of these. We brought in a brand new lineup of products from AutoStyle this month. These are designed, manufactured, and assembled right here in the US. We've got shift boots and e-brake boots in either Alcantara or leather with red stitching, as well as these shift knobs that are available in different colors and materials for you to choose from. These 5 right here have a Delrin center with either a blue, red, or black accent. These are going to be the lightest out of the 3 materials. We also have a full aluminum knob that is red and black. The weight of this is comparable to your stock shift knob, but if you want a heavier knob, we have these stainless steel knobs that have either a black or blue accent. These fit perfectly in your hand and have a surprisingly nice weight to them. If you're looking to jump into detailing your own car this year, but you're not sure where to start, the Chemical Guy's Best Detailing Kit includes everything you need to get started. You're going to get citrus wash and gloss, speed wipe quick detailer, VRP super shine dressing, leather conditioner, butter wet wax, wheel guard, a microfiber applicator, as well as a microfiber towel. If you guys are looking to boost the performance of your WRX, the Perrin 3-inch turbo inlet hose is now available on our website. The stock plastic inlet constantly flexes during normal driving conditions, and over time, the flange will compress and deform, causing vacuum leaks at your turbo. Perrin remedies this by using a CNC billet flange and a silicone hose to connect your turbo to your intake to eliminate any leaks and increase your airflow. When you compare the stock inlet to the Perrin inlet, you can clearly see how much smoother the airflow is. The Perrin inlet is reinforced with stainless steel support wire, which adds rigidity to the hose, which is available in either red or black. For you SCI guys out there, we've got 2 new products in from Cobb this month, which are the Fuel Pressure Sensor Kit and the Fuel Rail Line Kit. These are going to upgrade your fuel system to increase fuel capacity and get you more consistent performance at each injector. So if you're looking to upgrade your fuel system, you can pair these up with the rest of Cobb's fuel products. As far as exhaust goes, this month we've got in the Greddy Remark Muffler Deletes. These are a quick, clean, and cost-effective way to liven up your exhaust. They come with burnt tips with your choice of either single or double wall, and they are super easy to install. A lot of you guys asked about the JDMS carbon fiber emblems and if we'd ever offer them in different colors. We definitely wanted to make that happen for you guys, and they are now available in either white or black stars. These are full replacements made out of hand-laid carbon fiber, and they install easily using pre-applied 3M. Another carbon fiber product we have is the OLM carbon fiber trunk protector. These are made in Japan and imported over here. They install easily using pre-applied 3M, and they fit perfectly onto the ridge of your back bumper. Next up, we've got some limited edition Rally Armor mud flaps. These were designed by Dragon76, who is a world-renowned Japanese artist. They're available in pink or white, and like I said, a limited edition product, so quantities are limited. If you want to get your hands on a set, head on over to our website and order them as soon as you can. Rally Armor also throws in a 3,000 milliamp hour battery pack, so that's certainly a nice gift from them. For you BRZ guys out there, we've got a couple things in this month for you guys as well. We've got the GCS Leg Style FRP duckbill spoiler, which gives you a subtle yet aggressive OEM look that doesn't require any drilling or modification. We've also got in the FT86 Speed Factory short throw shifter, which is going to reduce your throws by 28.5% and reduce the height by 0.375 inches. Also includes the rear shifter bushing, so you can really clean up how your shifter performs. Last but not least, we've got the Varus dive plane kit, which is formed out of carbon fiber and gives you an aggressive appearance with functionality to back it up. All right, well, there you go, guys. Those are some of the new products for January 2018. But let me know in the comment section down below what your favorite products were for 2017. If you guys like something you saw in the video, check out the links down in the description. If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to email us or give us a ring. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest videos. I'll see you guys next time.